Nothing like some cheese, grits, some brim fish, and some shrimp for brunch. Hi girlfriend, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. And friend boy, I'm just doing this opening of the intro part of the video because I'm not sure that this is a part of another video or if this is the start of a new video. So there we go. Welcome. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us all rejoice and be glad in it. I am, and you should too. He said, let everything that has breath praise the Lord. Today is Monday, August the 5th, and that's my son calling. So I'll be right back. Sorry about that, girl. I got this AC turned up because it's hot out here. I thought I was gonna sit here with the sunroof back, but I guess not. And yes, you're gonna see this shirt a lot. I already said it a few vlogs back. These are my shirts from my daughter's brand, Asia. So when I don't put on clothes, I'm wearing my shirts when I'm out and about to promote, okay, to advertise. So you will be seeing them a lot. So already get tired already. I don't have nothing planned for today. I don't know what I'm cooking today. I don't know nothing. I'm just going with the flow. My little lecture will be gone today, like every day, but I was in the house all day. I had me some fish, some good old fish and grits finally for the first time in a long time. This is my third day eating, because I had brought those 5 brim, as you know. You've probably seen it in the last video if it wasn't a part of this video, this vlog. But I had some more brim. So the last 2 nights I've been eating brim, homemade fries, and shrimp. The last 2 nights. And then this morning I had I had a fish left, a brim fish left. So I had the fish, some shrimp, and some grits, cheese grits, Parmesan cheese. It was really, really good. So now my fish kick is done. I got my fish fix. So I'm off the fish kick now. So I don't know. Oh, and my meat of choice that I am eliminating this month is pork. I decided on pork because, you know, I've been not eating chicken and I still haven't ate chicken. So I am 36 days no chicken. So since I hadn't had any pork this month yet, I decided yesterday, on the day that my daughter was she made some pork chops, because if you remember when I went to the farmer's market, DeKalb, I purchased the 5 brim, the mullet, and the pork chops. And she made the pork chops last night for dinner, and so they had the pork chops, and I didn't have pork chops. I made my own food. I made the fish, fries. Oh, and then with my fries and fish and shrimp, I had coleslaw. I made some coleslaw. So which was really, really good. I made it Saturday night for everybody.